It's Vlogmas, y'all. Vlogmas 2022. Woo!
Eva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I'm so excited. This is the first year since my mom passed. I'm actually been excited about the holidays. Sorry I have not recorded. I did record a little at Thanksgiving time, and then I didn't upload. I didn't finish the video. So I will put little video clips of my sister's Christmas trees because she has two, and I ordered her another one for Christmas. It's a red, white, and blue one, and I thought that would be in honor of our mom because I ordered myself one too, because our mom's birthday was 4th of July. So, but the clips of the trees will be, well, you probably saw them. They'll be at the beginning of the video. So what happened was, this is Vlogmas. Explain Thanksgiving. Sorry about that, guys. There'll also be a picture of my niece, but I have her face covered, and the cat beanies that I made her, and her doll with the cat beanie I made to match. It was in the purple ombre, so by the time I got to the doll hat, it was darker, and I just wasn't gonna mess with making it the same color. Anywho, so we've got lots of exciting things for Vlogmas. We're calling it Friendmas. Well, this is still Vlogmas, but we're making a Friendmas blanket. There's a group of us YouTube ladies who are doing it. There is Trisha from Trisha's Creative Treasures. She will be doing Vlogmas, and she will be picking movies with me. There is my cousin Rainey from No Idle Hands. She's a very busy lady, and where they're staying, long story, go watch her videos, but where she's staying right now, it's just not cohesive for her to be able to make a video every day. So she won't be picking movies, but she's making a knitted, because we're doing a chevron blanket. If y'all see a dog pass through, it's a surprise to y'all. If she gets up here, I'll show you. If she doesn't, anyway, forgive me. But this is just real life, and my pets get in the way, and this is their house too. So anyway, so it's not cohesive for her to make videos every day, but she's making a knitted chevron blanket. That's what we're making. All of us crocheters are making a granny stitch chevron blanket. And Rainey's making a knitted chevron blanket, and I can't wait to see it. I bet it's going to be beautiful. Mine, I am doing, my theme is, we wish you a Scroogy Grinchmas, because those are my two favorite Christmas movies, A Christmas Carol and The Grinch. And so I wish you a Scroogy Grinchmas. So yeah, so my blanket is going to be Grinch colors, like bright green, red, and white stripes. I'm so excited. I think it's going to look cool. It's going to be probably about throw size. So, or I hope it ends up being that. Anywho, so there'll be that. There will be little vlogs throughout the day. Not this video, but like tomorrow you'll see little clips of today, if that makes sense. We are doing Buku Advent calendars. I got my dogs one. Well, I got two of them because I had the amount of dogs I had to get two to be able for them to have treats. So yeah, so there's that. And that's 25 days. I got the cats, but this is only 12 days. I got the cats Temptations Advent calendar. Bella also got one of these. Bella from Bella's Bella's Crochet Gifts. That's what it is. It's morning, y'all. She got one of these from Heather, because they did a swap, and so I can't wait to see her cat if she shows it on video. But I'll try to videotape them. This is just 12 days, so I'm not starting this until the middle of the month. I got LJ Pokemon. Oh, so this is Sasha. Okay, she's not going to cooperate right now. This is not for you. This is for LJ because he's just a big kid. Yes, and so I got him this. It's 25 days Pokemon. So he gets a little Pokemon something every day. That was that. Then this one is 25 days. I got this one for myself. This is rock minerals, healing crystal. Yeah, so I'm excited because I love rocks and crystals and all that good stuff. This, come here. Oh, that's
Been
Sasha,
hard to
y'all.
get.
She is apparently not going to be a good co-host, but I got a puppy. Long story about why I ended up with her, but I got a puppy. And her name, Sasha, Heather the Crochet Witch, I let her name her. If you watch her videos, you'll understand why. She is half Airedale. If you don't go watch Heather's videos, you should go watch them. So you can understand why I let her name her. There you go. If that's something, if you're like me and you're, no, you already, stop her, please. She's got the,
I got it.
why? Where did her bone? Okay. So yeah, if you're curious like me, you'll go watch her videos. You might have to watch a lot to figure it out. That's her drinking, by the way, to figure out why I let her name her. There you go. Then we both got 12 Days of Cocoa. 12 Days of Grinchmas, actually. We both got one. So that will start the middle of the month. And LJ got me 12 Days of Socks. That will start the middle of the month. Because in case you didn't know, I love socks. I love weird socks. I love to mismatch my socks. Oh, it shows me what I get every day. I didn't want to know. I shouldn't have looked at that. Anyway.
Didn't even.
Middle of the month. And then LJ and I will be drinking Around the World in 12 coffees. So it has coffees. It says, okay. Can they see me still?
Yes.
Okay. She's something. Around the World in 12 coffees. And so this will start the middle of the month. Brazil Santos, Colombian Sasha. Her name's Sasha, if I didn't tell you that. Brazil Santos, Colombian Supremo, Costa Rican Tarazu, Ethiopian Harar, Guatemalan Antigua, Honduras, Kenya AA, Mexican Altura, Nicaraguan Papua New Guinea, Sumatra Mondhelling, and Tanzania Peaberry. If I mispronounced any of those, I apologize to someone if that aggravated them. I'm not perfect at this stuff, but anyway, I'm excited because it's
An old
coffee.
belt.
It's coffee. Oh, here, yes, I knew it opened up.
Oh, cool.
So there. So there's that. I will be doing Song of the Day, and today, by the way, mine will be going 31 days instead of 25. The Song of the Day is We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Why not? Because it's the beginning of Vlogmas. I am doing a swap with Bella. I have my package, but I'm not opening mine until I've sent hers and she gets hers, because I couldn't send it off till the beginning of the month. I'll be sending it tomorrow. That's Bella's crochet gifts. And then I did a swap with Ryan, the Yarn Hag Ryan. I did a swap with her. That but that's for New Year's. That's like a countdown from Christmas to New Year's. 7 days. And so that will be at the end of the month. That's why I'm doing a whole 31 days, and that's what'll be in the blanket, because then, yeah, I will have memories of Bella doing, not that the yarn that Bella gives me is going into it or the stuff Brian gives me, but I will have memories that I did it with my friends, memories that I did a swap with Bella, memories I did a swap with Ryan. So yes, I love blankets that bring back memories. And I was going to do one with Melody, but things happened and just not a good time. And then I'm doing one with one of my subscribers, but neither one of us has sent it off. So we will see. It was supposed to be a Halloween one, and it's just been extended and extended. So yeah. Anyway, I think I've covered everything we're doing for Vlogmas. There will be clips, like more of a vlog video tomorrow. I'm excited about that. And yeah, hopefully you'll get to know Sasha. She's very hyper, very, very hyper. Like when she's tired, she's asleep. But any other time, she is an ADHD she's ADHD. That's all there is to it. But Hagrid has hit that part also in his life where if he is still, he's probably asleep, and any other time he's got the zoomies run around the room. So I think that's it. Not today, but tomorrow I've got to do a little shopping. Maybe I'll take you with me for that. And LJ and I will be going to the Christmas light parade on Friday. You'll get to see that. And then Saturday is the Christmas light parade. Fingers crossed Sunday that he and I both feel up to going to Roswell because they're having a Krampus Knot festival. And if I get there early enough, I can get a picture with Krampus. Y'all know I like spooky, so how better to add spooky to Christmas? Just saying. You notice that my two favorite movies are The Christmas Carol, which has ghosts in it, and The Grinch, who has a Grinch in it. So yeah. If I had the money, if I had hit the lottery, or I don't know, found $1,000 sitting on the side of the road, nah, I still wouldn't have bought it. But in Dreamland, where I can buy whatever I want, LJ and I would have Grinch and Max costumes for Christmas. Well, maybe year round, but for sure for Christmas. And we just go around Grinching people. That's my goal. Just letting y'all know. A Grinch outfit that fits me, like the whole costume. So no one can really tell who I am. And a Max, I don't care if they can tell who LJ is, but a Max costume for LJ. And we go around Grinching people. I think that would be fun.
I'll be the shorter one, of course.
You will for sure be the shorter one, and yeah. Anywho, I think, you think that's all, babe?
I think so.
So I will record him opening his advent. He'll record me. It'll be in tomorrow's video. I will show my beginning of my blanket. I'll be talking about my knitting. I have other stuff that I've started this year, as far as new crafts go that I haven't finished, that I will work on finishing. So there won't be a lot of Christmas ornaments. Here's Sasha. Y'all, come on. There won't be a whole lot of Christmas ornament type stuff. They'll just be like finishing up new, because I've got new crafts to learn next year. My knitting, I'm starting to really like it. But yes, this is Sasha. She is going to be a big dog. Oh, she tired herself out. Maybe not. Nope, she's on the move again. There will be clips. Hey, Sasha, no. Sasha. She's into everything because she's a puppy. Okay, so sorry if you see a mess. We are in the process of cleaning our room, and there's a lot of stuff in here, so we have to move stuff around to be able to clean and organize, if that makes sense. So that's it for today. Watch for tomorrow. Oh, and I have a shout out. I'm going to do 31 days of shout outs. And it mostly will be, either be channels that are under 1,000 or channels that need to get their 4,000 watch hours, which, by the way, that's what I'm working for. So if you guys would run my playlist, I would so appreciate it. But if not, that's okay. But yeah, what was I going to say about that? Oh, like and subscribe. But my shout out for today, y'all know, I derailed a little, but I'm back. So, today's shout out is my precious friend, Trisha. She's a mess with Lucy, and that's not the business. That's mess around and find out kind of stuff right there. She ain't got messed up by Lucy yet, but I keep telling her that I've been bit by Lucy, and I don't like it. I know she will. So, anywho, my first shout out is my wonderful friend Trisha from Trisha's Creative Treasures. Y'all, can we at least get her to 500 before Christmas? Like, what a great, 1,000 would be wonderful. But she has 450? No, maybe not even that much. She has 400 and something subscribers, okay? And what a great Christmas. By the way, I borrowed this idea from Nova Gnome Creation. Son of again, I just watched her. Why can't? Anyway, she'll be linked down below. I borrowed the idea from her, but I agree with her. How great would it be, Christmas present, to get people to their next milestone? I mean, that would be awesome. I mean, if we could get them all to 1,000 or to their 4,000 hours would be wonderful. But even just to their next milestone, and Trisha really wants to hit 500 by Christmas. So could we help her? Y'all, can we help a YouTuber out? And yeah. Oh, cool. Got a nice up close of her face. So
Sorry,
it's time
everyone.
to go because Sasha's apparently not gonna let me record. We are gonna do it somewhere else tomorrow probably. Well, you'll see vlogs and then my little spiel. But and this will probably be the longest one because I know you got lots of vlogmases to watch. Oh, okay. We want love. But just don't kiss me on the that's what you're gonna it's okay, they're watching us. I don't want them to know. Okay, so anywho, tomorrow it'll be somewhere else, okay? But today it was just easier because all of our advents are right here. So I love y'all. Stay groovy and creepy and manic and all that good stuff. And yeah. Mwah. And then I'll record me giving one of them their treat. Okay, but it'll just be easier this way if we do it. Oh, okay, there's nothing in there. What? I got gypped. I bet it fell down into this one. Son of a gun.
Oh, no.
I'm just going to pull it out from here. There we go. It's stars. Okay. So that's what they're going to get today, and they feel like smushy, so that's good. Okay, there's day one. 2 little stars. I don't know if it fell down off into that one. Yeah, they're all kind of... I'm going to have to dig for them. But yeah, so that was day... I was actually day something else. But anyway, I opened day... What day was that?
It was day 24.
Well, okay. I did it wrong, but that's all right. Okay, they don't know no different. Okay, bye, guys. So my sister doesn't have just one tree. This is her other tree.